I am a certified management trainer for international negotiation skills, which including the strategy analysis, team building, change process, crisis management, and project follow-up and evaluations. I was accredited by Effective Negotiation International Services from Australia. Due to my excellent performance in the 5-day training program, so Michael and Leo invited me to join the trainer program to become a member of their consultant network. So I did. And I still remember the first time my mentor, Leo, who was the founder of the ENS, at that time faced a question from a customers from MCE, which was the oil drilling company, asking for tailor-made program for them. And during the meeting, Leo was a little bit hesitant about tailor-made approach. And I said to the client, yes, we can. Afterward, Leo asked me, can we really do it? And I said, Leo, don't worry. Because Leo and Michael, they actually designed a very good structure and a process, very clear, rational process. I said, my experience actually was accumulated from the more than 30 years experience in international negotiation through the project management, contract negotiations, and team building, organization development. So we can do it. During the training program, on the third day, it was about tactics. So during the process, we received a question, how to break a deadlock. How to break a deadlock, okay? So when Leo was a little bit stunned, and I stepped in and I showed them a metaphor. I took off my scarf and make a knot. I said, deadlock is like a knot. So the more aggressive you're pulling on the one side, the other side will pull in further and further. So eventually, the potential deadlock become a deadlock. But how to break it? Both sides, you have to understand whoever started with aggressiveness has to find a process and a way to help the other party to understand he can give you a reasonable trust to come close. So lose up the tensions and both sides are willing to unlock it through dialogues. And at this time, in this process, basic trust and basic respect are crucial. If the party who asks for dialogue continue with nasty strategy or the tactics against the other party, don't forget, with the internet development today, nothing is secret anymore. So don't think the other party will not know what is conspiracy behind. The worst reactions you try to avoid is silent tactic and walk away tactic.